coming up. Oh no, I'm not saying anything actually. I will say it's on a bit of a
sand.
hill.
Oh, great.
Yeah, do you want me to talk you through that?
Yes, please.
Okay, so where are we going?
Left.
Good, so you're mirroring and signalling, you're bringing it round, and you're going to stop on the lines. Okay, your handbrake is going to go up, and it's going to go into your go gear. You're going to set your gas now, Phoebes. You're going to find a little bit of bite. Make sure you do not let your gas drop. Release your handbrake and keep your feet nice and still. Good. Keep it still, and you come off that clutch all the way now. Done.
I kind of got scared. I was like, oh no, where's the curb gone? It's like, don't tell me I've gone over it. I can't tell if these lights are also for me as well. I think the ones further back are.
I'm not telling you.
Cheers. I get it, Debbie. I understand.
Point taken.
I will do it myself. Do not worry.
I love it when a pupil says, I don't actually know what I'm doing here. And it's like, actually,
You do.
just by letting them figure it out themselves, you're not going to scare them to death and you're not going to put anyone in danger. They're just going to realise that it'll just be like, oh, right, okay. Because there's going to come a day after you've passed, there will be something that you're just not sure about. And you're going to be there all by yourself.
That's a scary
having
part.
to figure it out. Yeah.
I'm going to be there like, oh my god. Where's Debbie?
I had that when I first passed. I had so many questions. And I had no one to ask them to.
You should
and
be asking yourself, like, can I go that way?
yeah,
Can I go that way?
yeah, exactly.